After its huge success with Vivo Z1 Pro, which offered great value for money, the next phone in Z series will be Vivo Z1X, which will be coming to India on September 6th. Vivo has confirmed that the Vivo Z1X will be exclusive to Flipkart. As per a promotional video, Vivo Z1X will come equipped with an in-display fingerprint sensor and a water drop style notch and a triple rear camera setup to handle photography. To know more about this device, watch the whole video. With that being said, let's get started. Starting off with the design and display, it will have glossy gradient design with polycarbonate body and will feature triple camera setup on the back. And the important upgrade or the main upgrade of Z1X over the Z1 Pro will be the display. The Z1X will come with a 6.38-inch Super AMOLED display which is likely to have full HD Plus resolution with the water drop style notch. Now the reason behind going with water drop notch and not with circular cutout as found in Z1 Pro is there is only Samsung who can provide an AMOLED display with cutout and there is no other manufacturer doing that. So they decided to go with water drop style notch, which will be a cheaper alternative. And with the AMOLED display, this time around we will get to see an in-screen fingerprint scanner as well. In terms of processor, the smartphone will be powered by the Snapdragon 712 SoC, which will be paired with the 6GB of RAM. So processor wise, there will be no upgrade over Z1 Pro. The Z1X will likely boot to Android Pie and will offer two storage options, 64GB and 128GB. In terms of optics, the Z1X has 32 megapixel selfie shooter on the front and a triple camera setup at the back with a 48 megapixel unit as the main sensor, which is likely to be Sony IMX582 sensor. The other two camera sensors in the setup have ultra-wide and depth sensing units. Additionally, preview of the Vivo Z1X official product page mentions that the phone will come equipped with a 4500 mAh battery with support for company's proprietary 22.5W flash charge technology. And there will also be USB Type-C port and 3.5mm audio jack. I know you're all interested in this phone, so now let's check at what price it will be available. Currently, the only information regarding the pricing is that it will be over 15,000 rupees. And what I think about the pricing is that it will be about 16,999 rupees because this is the sweet spot for phones with this spec sheet. And that's the Vivo Z1X. Hope you liked the video. See you in the next one. Peace out.